Welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about trick to find out hybridization. VBT is able to explain the shapes of simple molecules but is unable to predict the geometry and shape of molecules. For explaining the geometrical shape of molecules, Slater and Pauling gave a new concept of hybridization. In valence bond theory, so a process in which two or more than two atomic orbitals of slightly different shape and energies are mixed and to redistribute their energies, resulting in the formation of new set of orbitals of equivalent shape and energies is called hybridization. The new orbitals thus formed in the phenomenon of mixing formed are known as hybrid orbitals. Hybridization is an imaginary hypothesis, very important. Another point is very important for hybridization. Hybridization is not present on complete molecule but only at center atom of the molecule. Very important. I repeat, hybridization is present only at center atom of the molecule, not on complete molecule. For example, CH4 molecule, hybridization is present only at carbon. Similarly, in H2 molecule, hybridization present only at oxygen atom. Now next point is types of hybridization. It is depend upon the number of hybrid orbitals. If number of hybrid orbitals are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then hybridization state of center atom of the molecule will be sp2. In condition of 2, then hybridization state of center atom is sp. In 3, sp2. In 4, sp3 or dsp2. In 5, sp3d or dsp2. In 6, sp3d2 or d2sp3. And in 7, hybridization state of center atom in the molecule is sp3d3. 1, 3, 4, 3, 7 respectively. Now, the number of hybrid orbitals can be calculated by the following trick, very important. H is equal to V plus M minus C plus A divided by 2, where H is equal to number of orbitals involved in hybridization and V is equal to valence electrons of center atom of the molecule. M is equal to number of attached monovalent atom. If attached atoms are bivalent, then M is equal to 0. C is equal to charge on cation and A is equal to charge on anion. Now values of H and according to H hybrid orbitals, type of hybridization, very important. If the value of number of hybrid orbitals is 2, then type of hybridization is sp. If 3, then hybridization state is sp2. 4, sp3 or dsp2. And in condition of 5, then hybridization state of center atom of the molecule is sp3d. 6, then hybridization state is sp3d2, and 7, Then hybridization state of center atom is sp3d3, 1s, 3p, 3d, 1, 3, 4 and 3, 7. Very important. Now we take some examples for our trick for calculation of hybridization. First is types of hybridization of oxygen in H2O. S is equal to V plus M minus C plus A divided by 2. Here for water molecule, central atom is oxygen and we know that valence electron of oxygen is 6. So value of V, M, C and A for oxygen, V is equal to 6, M is equal to attached monovalent atom is 2 and it is a neutral atom, therefore values of C and A is equal to 0. C and A is equal to 0. Therefore number of hybrid orbitals is equal to 6 plus 2 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2. Therefore resultant value is 4. Hence hybridization is sp3. It means the hybridization state of oxygen in water molecule is sp3. Very important. Similarly, hybridization of nitrogen in NH3. We know that valence electron of nitrogen is 5 and value of M for NH3 molecule is 3. Attached monovalent atoms are 3. Therefore number of hybrid orbitals H is equal to 5 plus 3, it is neutral molecule, therefore minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Hence hybridization state of nitrogen in ammonia molecule is sp3. Similarly, hybridization state of carbon in carbonate ion S is equal to, here value of V for carbon is equal to 4. Attached atom is oxygen, it is bivalent, therefore value of M for oxygen is 0. Very important, it is bivalent atom, therefore H is equal to 4 plus 0 minus 0 plus. Here charge on anion is 2, therefore plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Hence hybridization state of carbon in carbonate radical is sp2. Next example, hybridization state of sulfur in sulfate radical or ion. We know that sulfur has 6 electrons in his outermost shell, therefore, and it is a anion. So value of A is equal to 2. Therefore, number of hybrid orbitals S is equal to 6 plus 0. Here attached atoms oxygen, which is a bivalent. Therefore, 6 plus 0 minus 0 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Hence hybridization state is sp3. Very important. Similarly, hybridization state of nitrogen in ammonium ion, number of hybrid orbitals is equal to, here value of V is equal to 5 for nitrogen. Attached monovalent atom is hydrogen 4 and it is a cation which has plus 1 charge, therefore H is equal to 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Hence hybridization state is sp3. And last example, second last, hybridization state of beryllium in beryllium chloride. We know that in beryllium there are 2 valence electrons are present and it is neutral atom, therefore values of C and A is equal to 0. So number of hybrid orbitals H is equal to 2 plus 2 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Therefore, hybridization state of a beryllium in BeCl2 is Sp. And last example, hybridization state of phosphorus in PCl5. We know that V is equal to 5 for phosphorus and attached monovalent atom is chlorine 5. Therefore, number of hybrid orbitals H is equal to 5 plus 5 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, hybridization state of phosphorus in PCl5 is DsP3. DsP3, very important. Pi bonds are not included in calculation of hybridization, very important. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is, the concept of hybridization was given by option A. Hund and Mulliken, B. Pauling and Slater, C. Sidgwick and Powell, and D. None of the above. So answer will be option B. Pauling and Slater. Next question is, the type of hybridization of xenon in xenon difluoride molecule is, very important question, option A, B, C and D. So answer will be, number of hybrid orbitals is equal to V plus N minus C plus A divided by 2. Here for xenon there are 8 valence electrons are present in its valence cell. Therefore, 8 plus attached monovalent fluorine 2, and it is a neutral molecule. Therefore, values of C and A are 0 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, number of hybrid orbital is 5. So hybridization state on xenon in xenon difluoride is sp3d. So answer will be option B. Now next third question is, the number of hybrid orbitals present in BF3 on boron atom are 2, 3, 4, none of the above. So solution will be, number of hybrid orbitals H is equal to, there are 3 electrons are present in valence shell of boron 3 plus attached monovalent atom fluorine are also 3, and it is a neutral molecule. Therefore, minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So answer will be option B. Now next question, very important. Which molecule have sp2 hybridization state on sulfur atom? H2SO4, SO2, sulfide radical and H2S. So answer will be, so for first option H2SO4, number of hybrid orbitals H is equal to 6 plus 2. For oxygen it is bivalent, therefore values of M is equal to 0. So 6 plus 2, and it is neutral molecule, therefore minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 4, means sp3. For SO2, second option, SO2, H is equal to 6 plus 0. For oxygen, values of M is equal to 0 because it is a bivalent atom. So 0 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to 3, means hybridization state is sp2. For sulfide radical, H is equal to 6 plus 0 minus 0 plus 2. Here minus 2 charge, therefore A is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to 4, means sp3. And fourth option H2S, H is equal to 6 plus attached monovalent atom is hydrogen, 2 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 2 mean 4. It means hybridization state is sp3. So answer will be option B. And last question, if the number of hybrid orbitals are 6, then hybridization state is very important, sp3d2, d2sp3, both A and B, and option last D option sp3d2. So answer will be option C, both A and B. Hopefully guys, you have enjoyed the excellent trick of hybridization. Thanks for watching the video.